southwestern Butler County in southeastern Missouri, northeastern Carter County in southeastern Missouri, southwestern Wayne County in southeastern Missouri, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Elsinore, or 12 miles southwest of Piedmont, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and 2-inch hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Elsinore, Williamsville, and Brush Arbor. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Severe thunderstorm warning is canceled for northeastern Cape Girardeau County.